Good morning, children. Now we'll start question number 3, simplify. Now here the question is 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. Here whenever negative exponents are there, change it into positive. Now this is down, it will come up. This is up, this will come down to change it into positive. Okay, so two to the power of 2 into here 3 to the power of 2. Now what we will do, we will bring this up. We will not bring 3 to the power of 2 down, as it is not a negative exponent. We are going to shift this up because this is a negative exponent. Some children, what they do, they bring this up and this down. Here negative number is not there, so it will remain on its place and this will come up. Okay, 2 to the power of 2. And what about this? This will come down, so it will be 1 by 3 to the power of 1. Okay, 3 to the power of 1 is nothing but 3 only. Yes, so now here two bases are same. So here what we have applied, which law we have applied? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Here we have applied this law here and here. Now what we will do, whatever the bases are same, we can add it, like 2 here, 2 here. So 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 2, we can write it together. And this we have 3 to the power of 2 and here we have 3. Nothing is there means 1. Okay, so what we will do here, here bases are same, so powers get added, 2 plus 2. Here bases are different, bases are same, in division powers get subtracted. So 2 here minus 1, so it will be 2 to the power of 4 into 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 to the power of 1, or you can say 2 to the power of 4 into 3. Any number to the power of 1 is the number itself. Okay, so this how we will complete. And here which laws we have applied? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, and a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, next, here again negative exponents, so it will become 1 by 4. No need of putting 1 now, you have understood. No, it will be 4 to the power of 1, which is equal to 4 only, into 1 by 3 divide 1 by 6. Okay, why we have changed? What law we have applied here? A to the power of minus m is 1 by a to the power of m. This law we have applied over here. So now this is simple multiplication and division of rational numbers. So in multiplication, numerator will get multiplied to numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 ones are 1, 4 3s are 12. Divide 1 by 6. Now division will change into multiplication and this will reciprocate, 6 by 1. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 1 by 2. Okay children, next, simplify and give reasons. Now we already know that any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 4 to the power of 0 is 1, plus 5 to the power of minus 1 will be 1 by 5 into 5 to the power of 2 into 1 by 3. Here which laws we have applied? A to the power of 0 is 1 and a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. These two laws we have applied in this step. Okay, how to solve this you all know. Nothing is there means 1. LCM will be 5. Seeing the denominator, it will be 5 plus 1, okay, into 5 to the power of 2 into 1 by 3. So it will be 6 by 5 into 5 to the power of 2 into 1 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here 1 5 is there, here 2 5s are there. So you can cancel 1 5 no, or 2 5 by 2 by 5 is left, nothing else is left. Yes, into 2 is also there. So what will happen? Division means subtraction. 2 minus 1 will be 5 into 2. The answer will be 10. Okay. Next. Here, this one, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 4 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 to the power of minus 3. Here bases are different, powers are same. First of all, here you have to change the negative power into positive. So it will become 2 to the power of 3 into 4 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3. Now here bases are different, exponents are same. So what you will do, you will multiply the bases and write the common power as 3. You have to complete this sum for homework. I want you to concentrate and do all the sums, children. Okay, complete this sum and do the third 1 and 2 and fourth also with complete concentration. You have to practice it once without seeing. Okay, so this all for today. See you tomorrow for the next session. Thank you.